Hello bellas, welcome back to my channel. This is Genesis from the Genesis Way, and today I'll be unboxing the Spiritú Spring Box. Hello. I am so excited because it's the time of the year where I get to unbox the Spiritú box. Really excited for this one over here. This is the Spring 2021. So I am just excited to see what's inside. I have not seen anything of this box. So let's check it out. Before I continue, I want to say that all this coronavirus situation is very serious. It can be very scary, so just stay healthy, follow the directions of the people in charge of the CDC, stay home, stay healthy, wash your hands, and let's just work together so we can continue to live our lives. Other than that, let's just get right to it, shall we? Also subscribe to my channel. I'm actually very excited for this box because it looks completely different from the other ones. Like the color scheme and everything is different. This one, it's kind of like a yellow mixed with, it has like a hint of orange. It's kind of pink. It's like very spring, you know what I mean? So I am really excited for the designs. But basically, this artist was made by Isabella Humphrey. They have different artists make designs of the box, so that's really exciting. And I also keep all the boxes and basically store things in it because they are super cute. So let's get right to this. I already have opened this up and this is how it looks. Ooh. As always, oh look, it's so cute. Look at this little watermelon, whatever. They also have the little packet of the things that are inside. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna be simultaneously, getting this stuff off and then telling you like the prices and everything. Trying to not look at it. It's right here. I always admire how just well put together this box is, because let me show you. I always like to show it because it's my favorite part of it. Like, it's so well put together. So the first thing I'm gonna take is this. So they always send a product that is from an artist or an artisan from a specific country. This time it's from Ecuador, and it's this beautiful headband over here. It has this elastic here. That's actually pretty nice because it looks cute enough to just use to like decorate, or you can just put it on and put your hair back so you can do your makeup. This headband is $15, and it always brings a card so you can learn a little bit more of the product itself. Next up, okay, we see a couple of things here. Let me get this. So this, whoa, okay. So this is a cafe latte face mask. And it comes in this little packet over here. It looks something that is very, very raw. I am really excited for this. This little bag is retails for $10. It's a handmade in Puerto Rico. Huepa. It's a woman business owned. It's made in Puerto Rico. It reduces inflammation, redness, skin antioxidants, enhances circulation, smooth and bright skin. Excuse me. And it's called the bag. How cute is this thing? Awesome. So we continue to this time. So here we have, it's the original roll-on bracelet. Let's see. It's called Aid Through Trade. Let's see this. It's let me see. Okay. Ooh, it's a cute little bracelet. This one over here. Okay, it doesn't stretch much, so I don't wanna like break it, but here it is. It's like because it rolls on. It's supposed to roll on. There you go. There you go. So it has like cute purple, pink, and blue tones right over here. This retails for $15. It's called the original roll-on bracelet. It's ethically crafted in Nepal and is the only roll-on bracelet that is authentically fair trade. That is really cute. It is also like, it doesn't like bother my wrist. That's why I don't use like accessories a lot. I guess this is why it doesn't stretch, because it rolls on. I get it now. Next up we have, what is this, a spice? It's a seasoning. Okay. It's called pest powder. It's a chile lime seasoning. Listen, first of all, I do not, oh my God, this smells really good. It retails for $4.99. Next up we have, let's see, this is like a bigger, this is a bag. Feels like ASMR, because honestly, I've used it once to sleep and it's actually pretty nice. Okay, anyway, so this bag from Spiritú is a tote bag that retails for $20. Honestly, it looks very durable. Wow, it does look very like you can get groceries in here. That's really nice, and I love that I have the design from the artist. Wow, this is actually pretty good. Like when we are safe to go outside, we can use it to go to the beach and stuff. You know, that's kind of cool. Then we have this lippy liner from Kenya Beauty over here that retails for $23.99. It says it comes this and a sharpener. Let me see if it comes inside. Maybe it comes inside the box. Nope. Ah, there you go. And the sharpener. And let's wait. Technical difficulties. 1 second. ASMR action. So it's kind of it's wow. It's like a super mega red lippy liner. Look at that. Wow, I love it. It's obviously to define your lips. Kenya Beauty, I've never heard of them, but I'm like excited to try the other products. It looks really like nice and just cute, and like comes with a sharpener, so that's cool. And then the last but not least product that we have over here is it's an exfoliator. So it's from Samara. It's a bamboo fiber and mango seed body polish with cacao and vitamin E. I'm sorry if I said that wrong. It smells really good, and it is for $39.99. So like I said, it's an exfoliator basically. So to exfoliate your skin, a little more of TLC, you can absolutely, I mean, this sounds like a day. Picture this, day or night that you go, you set up a bath, right? And you like exfoliate, and then you put this cafe latte face mask, and after that you go ahead and you cook a little bit and you use this seasoning on it, and then you're cooking for your date, so then you use this little lippy, and then you come out and then like I don't know, I'm just making, I'm just trying to set the picture. The thing is that you can do a lot with these things. Yeah, so that's basically it, what we have over here, and all of this retails for a total of $128.97. Yay! So I love the fact that they have a good variety of products, from beauty to lifestyle products that you can use, on your normal day to day. And it's just not only there to just like, I don't know, it's like products that are usable, which I really love about Spiritú. And then you can get products from other countries that you otherwise wouldn't get. So I would love to know what you think of these bugs. I am really excited for it. I am super happy to try these products and let you guys what I think of them. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. All the links will be down below. If there's something that you would like to see on my channel, please let me know. You can DM me, you can comment down there. I mean, anything really. I know you have the time. Let's go, let's do it. This is Viz the Genesis Way. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Go, bye.